Xiaomi recently released its latest gaming laptop called Redmi G 2021. This gaming laptop comes in two models. The first model uses an Intel processor and the other model uses AMD. Both gaming laptops use NVIDIA RTX. According to GSM Arena, these laptops are also packed with a 16.1-inch screen with a refresh rate of 144 Hz and are also supported with 72Hz mode. Xiaomi has equipped this gaming laptop with an upgraded Hurricane cooling tree system. The system has two 12-volt fans and 5 copper pipes to prevent overheating. Redmi G 2021 is also packed with 16GB RAM configurations and 512GB internal memory, along with Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, DTS X Ultra 3D, and a backlit keyboard with 3 brightness levels. Redmi G 2021 is equipped with Intel Core i5-11260H and GeForce RTX 3050 with Ryzen 5800H and GeForce RTX 3060 with TDP up to 130W AMD variant. Both of these laptops will be launched for the Chinese market, and it is currently uncertain when Xiaomi gonna launch these laptops in other markets. The Intel versions of the Redmi G 2021 is sold for 5,700 yuan, while the AMD versions is sold. The Intel versions of the Redmi G 2021 is sold for 5,700 yuan, while the AMD versions is sold for 7,000 yuan.